Daniela, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the hatchback TikTok trend, which is really popular and it's also really fun to do. But before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So first we're going to point to the right, down front, left, front. So once again, right, front, left, front, and then we're going to point front again. So right, front, left, front, front, and then we're going to throw something and do the whoa. So once again, right, front, left, front, front, catch, whoa. So after the whoa, instead of clapping, we are going to cross our arms like this, and then we're going to pretend we're grabbing something from behind our shoulder, and we're pointing it towards the camera, and then we're going to go thumbs up. By the way, make sure to like this video. So let's start from the very beginning and then we'll move on. So let's go. Right, front, left, front, front, throw, whoa, cross, something, grab something, and then point it towards the camera, thumbs up. So after this, we are going to cross our arms twice. So cross, cross. Okay, so after we're going to cross, we're going to go one, so one hand is behind our head and one behind our shoulder. One, then okay, and then cross our arms like that. So head, okay, cross. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. Right, front, left, front, front. Catch, whoa, cross. One, two, thumbs up, cross, cross. Head, okay, cross. Okay, so after we're going to cross our arms, we're going to go one, two. So we are going to cross our right arm. It goes down, left, down, and then we're going to go like this. So we're going to do the peace sign like that. So, and after this, we're going to point towards ourselves, and then we're going to do this with our hands, this sign. So let's do it from the very beginning. Right, front, left, front, front, throw, whoa, cross, grab something, show it, thumbs up, cross, cross. One, okay, cross. One, two, peace, show towards ourselves, and this side. So after this, we have almost nothing left. So let's go. One, two, so we're gonna punch towards the camera, and then we're gonna clap. And then after this, we're going to do the same thing we did at the beginning. Whoa, cross. That's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to do it twice. Once slow so that we remember everything, and then the second time we're going to do it a little bit faster, and then you'll just have to practice at the music speed, and that's it. So let's go. First, slow so that we remember everything. Let's go. Right, front, left, front, front. Throw, catch, cross, point, grab something, towards the camera, thumbs up, cross, cross, head, okay, cross, 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 peace, towards ourselves, sign, and then punch, punch, clap, and whoa, cross. And then we're going to do the same thing but fast. So let's do it. Right, front, left, front, front, catch, whoa. Cross, one, two, thumbs up, cross, cross. One, okay, cross, 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 peace, towards ourselves, sign, punch, punch, clap, and whoa, cross. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon.